Good morning, everybody. This is your Dow Jones sideways continuation review for today. There's really nothing going on at the moment. We're still pivoting around this zone, and I'm just going to do something like that. So this is 38,832, 38,760, 38,800, I suppose, is the area to round it off. So a couple of things going on. So first thing is the oscillators are looking a little bit better than grouped to the upside, separate a little bit as well. So there is a probability, or possibility, should I rather say than probability, of it moving to the upside. We do have a nice big engulfing bar, but we are below the moving averages, and it does look like the moving averages are about to cross over. So take that with a pinch of salt. Big move up, retracement, big move up. I would argue it would have maybe been something worth exploring, but we had this bit of a sell-off at the top. So we are waiting for the Feds. So the Feds are out tomorrow with their song and dance on the interest rate. Or interest rate cuts, should I say. So anyway, we need to wait for that before the market's actually going to look at anything right now. So when you start drilling down through the time frames, you're going to see the confusion just continuing. So yesterday was a fairly kind of a strong day up, and we did defend. So just get 38.7. Let's just say 38.750 is probably where we need to be. You can see there's lots of tails in this zone. It's quite a broad area of resistance, as you can see. So not going to read too much into it at the moment. That is a clear line in the sand. We have made a series of higher lows. We haven't made any higher highs. So typically what often happens before the Feds is we just go into a triangle like this. Very typical price action. And then we sort of just keep hovering. And sometimes what will happen is you'll extend you'll extend the triangle in one direction, probably a better one, and then it'll pop out the triangle and then just go into a range while we wait for the Feds. If you look at the moving averages here, we are flat, we are below them, so that is a little bit bearish, but look at my oscillators, that's offering absolutely nothing for you at the moment. One pointing up, one pointing down. That's just indication of confusion, which is exactly where we are at the moment. So 15 minutes not going to give us anything different, to be honest. I think, yeah, you can see up, bounce around, down. So I am definitely staying away from the Dow. The DAX, there is potentially some opportunities for some quick scalps, short scalps at the moment. There's nothing really on the S&P that I can see. There's nothing really on the Dow Jones that I'd be prepared to even try and look for right now. So that is kind of my view today. I'm definitely not interested in trying to second guess this. If we do break this level here, and it'll be at around 38,800, and there's some juicy gaps here as well, then I suspect you're going to be held up with 38,746. I don't see us dropping below that for any reason. And then you more than likely use some buyers come in, and they're just going to try and flip this into a range until tomorrow evening. Sometimes that range is just so tight, it'll just run the flat line along here for 2 days until the Feds come out, and then we'll have the volatility we need. So for me, I think I will sit back and wait on this. I'm not going to bother with the US markets until tomorrow. Hope it helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.